Alright, so this is the hair that I'm working with in the front for the 2 butterfly braids, and then I have the ponytail already parted out for the back. I'm going to sleek that down first, but before I do that, I wanted to clip up the front pieces and get that out the way. Okay, right here I'm basically showing you guys that I'm using rubber bands, got to be spray, and a combs. So right now I'm just combing my hair better into a lower ponytail. You could do the ponytail in the back high or semi-high, but I kind of want it like in the lower state. I didn't really want it too high. So I sprayed a little bit of got to be, and I'm gonna comb it through. I'm gonna do it by section, so don't put a whole bunch of spray all at one time and then try to use the blow dryer to melt it down. No, you go by sections, keep it neat, and a simple process. When ponytails, you could use the nozzle piece that like is attached to the blow dryer. I just feel like with that piece, it would like really direct the hair how you want it to lay with the blow dryer. Right now, I'm just clipping up the parts where I'm going to be doing the braid, the butterfly braid, getting that out the way. When doing ponytails, you don't want to rush. You definitely want to take your time molding the hair, not putting a lot of spray, a little bit of spray at a time, just to get the exact mold and look you're going for. Because ponytails, you could really, once you put a lot of product, it's like your hair is already straightened. You don't want to do that whole process of straightening it over again. It just, no, take your time. Really take your time. Section by section, a little bit goes a long way. I tell you, a little bit of product goes a long way, especially doing a ponytail. Now I'm pulling the top part of my hair that's molded into the back ponytail before we move on to the sides. Okay, so right now I'm sectioning out my baby hairs that I definitely want for this style. You don't have to do baby hairs, but I actually like baby hairs, so I'm going to definitely have baby hairs on my style. Yes, so right here with this piece here, I'm going to be rubber banding it and then molding it with the got to be spray. You can use gel. I've seen some people use gel, but me, I was just doing a quick little style. I used a little bit of spray and rubber band it. That side is done, so we're going to basically do the same thing on the other side, and I'll show you guys that in a second. So you just want to repeat the steps that you did on the first ponytail. On the other side, mold it up real quick with some got-to-be spray and rubber band that as well, and then blow dry. For the ponytail in the back, I'm going to braid my natural hair and wrap it with some wrapping strip papers, because I am going to glue my bundle in instead of sewing it. I just feel like it'll be a quicker process. Even though the glue is a little bit messier, I just went ahead and glued my bundle in. But you have to make sure you cover your natural hair so you don't have no glue in it. So in the next clip, you're going to see me spray a little bit of got-to-be into my hair so I can blend it in with the braiding hair as I braid down, without any flyaways, extra flyaways before pulling it into the butterfly braid. So this clip here, I basically had to switch over from the iPad and record on my phone. But I already went ahead and did the butterfly braids. I'm just going to fluff it out a little bit more. You see I kind of pulled out a lot of hair at the top. It's okay. I'm just going to keep this style in for a week or so. But this one, it starts looking crazy, I'll take it out. But did my braids. Now I'm about to wrap my ponytail for the back and cover my row hair before I glue anything down. So for this hairstyle, I will be using pack hair from the beauty supply store. Um, I basically straightened out the weft. Not straightened it out, but make sure the tracks were together before I started anything with the glue. So as you see, I did start the ponytail at the end of my natural hair. I did go back in and fold my natural hair and wrapped it again so it could be a shorter, not longer piece. That's how you will do it when he had two bundles, but I only had one bundle to work with. So I did go back and fix that. That part is not in the video, but I did go back and do that before moving on to the next step. So here I'm basically pinning up the braids with bobby pins to create that crown effect for the style before moving on to baby hairs. So now I'm spraying a little bit of Got2b on my baby hair, and we're going to basically use the comb and swoop them into the side ponytails, and then blow dry it to mold it. At the end of the video, I basically comb my edges and left them like that. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune on to my next video.